Okay, let's do this. Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Very excellent. Yeah. What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, the Steam Deck tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators, what's happening? Alright. Here's the deal. We got some updates here. Listen to this. We got Wine 9.0 RC release with more Wayland fixes and additional game fixes. Yeah, got to get these updates out the way. Anyway, it says here, after a release candidate of Wine 9.0 was published last week due to end of the year holidays, Wine 9.0 RC is out as the newest test candidate for this forthcoming stable version to enjoy Windows games and application on Linux. And then it says Wine 9.0 RC, and it has 17 known bug fixes, which includes games like Need for Speed 3, Civilization 4, Bejeweled 3, and others. There are also some app fixes like Git, GUI crashing on start, Wine DBG debugger issues, and more. Has also been common with the Wine Wayland driver being one of the exciting new addition for this year. Wine stable release. There are more Wayland driver fixes. Wine 9.0 RC4 Wayland fixes drivers issues around sway full screen, not running on full screen, and monitor DPI issues have also been resolved. Says here, download and more details on the 17 fixes for Wine 9.0 via winehq.org. Wine 9.0 stable debut, but within the next few weeks as the year major stable release of this important Linux desktop software. And yeah, that is that. Alright, now what else I got for you since we're talking about the Steam Deck here. Keep the ball moving here. Get these updates out the way. Push yourself. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Alright. Here's another one for you. Yeah, keep you Steam Deck and Linux gamers up to date. Whoops, where you go? It says here, Proton Qt version 2.9.1 release for easy compatibility tool installation on Linux / Steam Deck. It says Proton Qt is an essential tool to help you install and manage GE Proton, Lextrapedia, WineGE, and more for Steam, Heroic, Lutris for Linux and desktop, and Steam Deck. But why would you need it? Well, sometimes Valve's official Proton doesn't work well with a game, so you need GE Proton if you want to easily play third-party upgrade games engine for some classic Steam games like OpenMW for Morrowind or OpenXCOM for XCOM, and so on. See previous article. You can use Lextrapedia and so on, but version 2.9 was just released, and here's what's new. Added a shortcut editor for Steam. DXVK Async uses PH42O NS release instead of SPORIF S. It says Northstar Proton uses R2 Northstar tool repo instead of the Cry RV6737 repo. WineGE extract folder CPR 296 for details. Allowing configuring GitHub GitLab access token in the Proton Up Qt configuration file. Various 18 Unreal Engine UX enhancements. And then it says how to install Proton Qt Up. It is available on FlatHub for using favorite apps like Discover on KDE and alternative download app image. Download Proton. The Proton Qt Up app image. Mark the app image as execute either using your file manager or using the terminal. chmod plus x Proton Up Qt and then Apple image. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I'm keeping you guys up to date here. Okay, what else I got on the menu here? Since we're talking the Steam Deck here, I just gotta keep the ball moving here. Okay, let's see. You got one. We got. Oh, here's another one. Here's another update. Oh yeah, I'm on it. So I got you guys covered. Yeah, you Steam Deck fans, listen to this. It says Linux 6.8 HID Steam controller driver fixes from SteamOS, Nintendo, NSO controller support. Then it says the HID driver updates Linux 6.8 includes some useful addition, primarily for Linux gamers or those otherwise making use of modern game controllers for other input purposes. First up, there are several fixes in the Steam HID driver HID system that are picked up from Valve downstream in latest SteamOS beta builds. This is the driver for supporting both the original Steam controller in wireless mode, as well as handling the input control on the Steam Deck, handling the game consoles. Then it says for the Linux 6.8, the HID Steam driver fixes include no longer overwrites or smoothing parameters, cleaning up the locking code, better handling of serial numbers, supporting the gamepad only mode, switch by holding options, and other changes. The gamepad only mode is for disabling mouse and keyboard mode compared to the desktop mode with the gamepad disabled. This hotkey use the option button is similar to the behavior of the official Steam client. As a part of the patch is adding support for haptic pulse, as also done by Steam when using hotkey. And it says here, what else? The other notable HID works in Linux 6.8, adding support for Nintendo Switch Online and controllers. The Nintendo HID driver is adding support to these NSO controllers that match some of their classic controller like for the Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and 64 consoles. It says here the HID system in Linux 6.8 is also seeing support for custom sensor hub sensor like hinge angle sensor that previously weren't working, like I said, LLI Tech and ILI 2901 touchscreen support, and various other HID drivers updates. See the full requests and for the full HID update for Linux 6.8. Oh yeah, Steam Deck is getting updates. Keep you guys up to date here. What's going on here? Alright, now, what else we got as far as our update is concerned? Oh, do I need this? No, I don't. Alright, what else do I need? Okay, what else is out there? Let's see if Gaming on Linux got something. Oh yeah, gotta keep you guys up to date on what's going on there. Push your... Alright, let's see, what do we got? Oops. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All these news. Okay, let's see, what else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's another one. For the Steam Deck. Okay, Heroic Launcher. Heroic Launcher version 2.12 brings a lot of improvements and some fun for experiments. Okay, so the Heroic Launcher is the best way to manage games from Epic, GOG, Amazon on Linux Steam Deck. Heroic Game Launcher version 2.12.0 is out, and this new release brings with a whole bunch of improvements across the entire app. One exciting experimental feature is the automatic install of tweaks for Wine Strix, enabling games to work properly out of the box without you needing to mess with anything. Its available settings, advanced experimental feature as they currently test it, and building up a list of games that needs the tweaks done. Alright, so what do they got for this Heroic Launcher? Okay, let's see. Sorting out favorites alphabetically, adds an only action to select, one store platform only, showing a progress bar in the taskbar for various apps, activity, show generic release date on game page, fix of DXVK Navapi installation, fix a a fix to ignore game scope if enabled and not found instead of just failing. A new offline support filter. Open main window when clicking the tray icon. Install EOS overlay by default to prevent some game errors, plus various other user interface improvements and bug fixes. Yeah, you Steam Deck fans are good. light as something else. Let me see if I can get this going here. All right, so that's it for the heroic game launcher. Oh yeah. All right, now keep the ball moving here. What else we got? Since we're talking the Steam Deck here, let's see here. What else we got? What else we got? Okay, let's see. Did I do this one? Okay, I did that. Okay, next one. Let's see here. Okay, any more? Okay, ray tracing. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just keeping you guys up to date here on the updates. Okay, let's see here. Ray tracing performance uplift coming to AMD RADV Linux graphical driver. The open source RADV Vulkan driver is set to get some nice looking performance improvement for ray tracing, which should release along with Mesa 24.0. As mentioned in the merge requests, converted ID ray launch to 2D that has been accepted in Mesa developed. Frederick Vach mentioned because we use unaligned dispatches. One ID launch only use 8 threads per wave. Converting 2D converting 2D and fixing up IDs and Prolog significantly increases occupancy. That gives a 30% uplift in Ghostwire Tokyo. And then it has a list. And impressive. Then you can look into the comments, and other are noting more in performance improvements in other games too. And Adrenio Martins are mentioning those AMD RX 6700 XT. So you get improvements in Ratchet & Clank, Ghostwire Tokyo, Hellblade, Witcher 3, Bright Memories, Sackboy. So you got Ghostwire Tokyo, Witcher 3, Control, Chorus, and it says the MR was open since November 23rd, with it being accepted and merged January 5th, 2024. So it should be available in the Mesa 24.0, which is due to release on January 31st, 2024. Although that depends on release candidate, go with the first RC for Mesa 24.0 due January 10th. That's tomorrow. Alright, keep you guys up to date here. Keep the ball moving. Alright, what else we got as far as update goes? Alright, keep moving here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I did this was 3.5. I think I did this. Got to keep you guys up to date. Okay, SteamOS 3.5.13. Okay, add slider to control brightness of the status LED, charge LED. This setting can be found under settings display. Fix a case where Wi-Fi would fail to connect certain conditions. Fix HDR on some external display using slightly desaturated. SteamOS 3.5. Alright. That's the updates on that. Yeah, gotta keep you guys up to date, man. With this new stuff, you gotta stay on it. And stay consistent. Alright. Let's see. Steam. Okay. Looking for updates. Alright. JSOX reveal an upgraded RGB docking station. Oh, they responded. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what. Okay. JSOX reveal an upgraded transparent RGB docking station. If you've got a Steam Deck, ROG Ally, or Lenovo Legion Go, whatever else is going for the likes of Neo GPD, you may want to look into the new upgraded transparent RGB dock from JSOX. Much like the previous version, you can get different models with varying connection not only have given it transparent cars, which it looks really slick, but they've upgraded internals as well as ALLM, auto low latency mode, VRR variable refresh rate, QFT quick frame transport, HDR high dynamic range. So it's quite a big spec boost on already great dock. And it says the model HB201S $99 or HB0801S $69 are available for pre-sales with expected shipping in mid-late January. Then it says I've actually had the original non-transparent sent over, and it's quite a nice little knit device with a lot of connection on it. The 12-in-1 version that really does open up a lot more options when docking the Steam Deck regularly, so I can happily suggest taking a look at the upgraded transparent edition. My only gripe with it is the pull-out slot to actually put your handheld to feel just like a flimsy because of the thin plastic. Other than that, great. Alright, J-Sox. Yeah, J-Sox is they're on it. Alright. What other updates we got for you guys? I'm only dealing with updates right now. Let's see, okay. Let's see, Proton. Did I do this one? Let's see, 2.9. Okay, we did that one. Alright. Up. Keep moving. Let's see here, we did. Keep moving. Whoops, get out of the way. Gotta keep you Steam Deck fans up to date, man. There's so much going on now. Let's see, nope. NVIDIA. Nope. Not that one. Any more updates? Okay, GE Proton. I'm just doing updates. GE Proton 8 through 26, 8 and 27. Yeah. Okay. GE Proton 8 through 26, 8 and 27. Says GE Proton has received 2 new versions of GE Proton 8 through 26, 827, shortly after, mostly focusing on fixing up issues in some games and pulling in new versions of various parts of Proton like Wine and DXVK. This community made compatibility layer so it's not supported by Valve and should be used only really when you need it for specific games. GE Proton 8 through 26 are update Wine Bleeding Edge, update DXVK to Git, updated VKD3D Proton to Git, update DXVK Neverpie to latest upstream Proton, pull in the latest upstream Proton Bleeding Edge changes, add Farlight 84 patch, VR fix for Beam.ng.drive added, NVIDIA Reflex implements, and then it says unified fix for your CPU technology workaround, unified fix for Proton Audio Conv workaround, unified fix for XLive workaround, unified fix for eSync, FreeSync, enable disable ads. It says cutscenes audio in BlazBlue certification workaround, game fix added for Renegade Ops, clean up depreciated LAA DXVK syncs and Wine32 helper functions, cutscenes audio fix for the Great Ace Attorney Chronicle, game fix added for The Forest, updates fix for Super Naughty Made 2, disable NVIDIA latency reflex patch after discussion with DXVK devs. They are currently deemed problematic and need more work, and are now currently cause stutter in games even when the feature is disabled. We will re-enable the patches when they are ready. Fix Farlight 84 patch that was missing a lot, causing problem in SDL games. Backport fixes for HID devices and more than 8. Yeah. Just keeping you guys up to date, man. Get these updates out the way. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, and Unity's still going through problems, cutting 25% of its staff, 1,800 people. Man. Alright, let's see, any more updates? Let's get these updates out the way. Any more updates? Any more updates? I need some updates. Updates. That's it. So yeah, got you guys covered, man. The Steam Deck way. Yeah, you guys are good. News, deals, games, update. I'm just getting these updates out the way. You know, man. Unity is still going through problems. What a price to pay, man. Anything else? Let's see. Okay, what about Phoronix? Does Phoronix have anything? Let's see. Phoronix. Oh yeah, gotta keep you guys up to date, man. Push yourself. Okay, anything else? Okay, I think I took care of the controller issue. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so I have to keep you guys up to date with all the updates that's out there. Yeah, it's a new year, so keep you guys informed. You know, okay, keep you guys in. No. Keep you guys informed. So, yeah, whatever news and updates that come out, I'll let you know about it. But yeah, the game industry moves on. The devs are working, and more updates will be coming. So, I'll keep you guys posted on it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing, or Dark Side. Okay. Peace.